A very good morning, students. I welcome you all for the topic energy management strategies. It comes under the unit number 4, that is Introduction to Automated Vehicles uh, in the electric vehicle subject. So, before going into the topic, we should know what is an energy conservation, what is an sustainable growth, and in which way the energy conservation helps in the improvement of energy efficiency, and what are all the process in continuous improvement that ensures the long-term energy management process. So the title is energy management strategies. We are going to understand this topic through a design thinking approach. We all know the 5 stages of DT, that is define, empathy, define, ideate, prototype, and test. So energy is a driving force behind all the industrial and commercial domestic service. There is no doubt in it. Without energy, nothing can be done. But thing is, there are so many places the energy is wasted unwantedly. So with that wasted energy, we can make use of the other things in an efficient way. So we're going to find where the energy is actually wasted, how to improve the quality of the work which is being done. So the sustainable growth is optimizing the process everywhere and leaving no chances of wastage of energy. So that will help us to reduce the cost, and the overall efficiency will also improve. So this is the empathy state. We all know the energy is an important aspect. The image shows that the person is working in an laptop, and the hurricane lamp indicates that where we started. If we are not conserving the energy, we'll be forced to go back to the original state. So there are so many places where energy is being wasted. One such place is in the building. So much of unwanted lights and poor light placements will lead to the power wastage. The problem is how we reduce the energy consumption in the commercial building without compromising the comfort and productivity. So there are a number of technological supports we could able to get. One is the smart grid and IoT. Then the second one is an reliability and cyber security. Third one is an integration of renewable energy. Then storage optimization. Then the next one is an demand load response. Then efficiency conservation. So analyzing the challenges, there are so many challenges. One is an technical and another one is an behavioral. Technical, we are mainly facing due to the insufficient systems or outdated machinery, but behavioral because of the carelessness. This is the problem statement. The first one is in cost and efficiency is getting disturbed. The second one is to technological optimization. Third one, the sustainability climate. So we could able to do a wonder by proper brainstorming. So we have to put the problems to the common group and we have to brainstorm a proper solution for that. With that, we have to come with a solution. Then consider the ideas like renewable energy, wind will also help us to grow more, and promoting the energy saving behavior and using the energy efficient equipments will help us to save more energy. So this is the prototype 1 which we put forth for the energy efficient systems. One is in developing and practical energy solutions, that is transform the ideas into and workable prototypes into plans. In that first stage is smart energy monitoring system. The second one is an automated lighting and HVAC systems. Then third one is an renewable energy integration models. Then fourth one is an awareness and the training modules for the users. So in that the fourth stage is more important because if you could able to create an awareness among the users, then the user will implement the energy saving process in each and every stage. So only thing is we have to create and right awareness to the working community, and also this is a continuous loop process. Once you are done and you are leaving, it will not fetch you anything, but you have to do that work in a routine manner. Then second one is an refining and improving the prototype. You have to find out the actual efficiency of each and every systems in the overall thing, and you have to find out which is a good efficiency system, which is a bad efficiency system, and you have to find out what is the reason for those poor efficiency, and what are the plans you suggest in that which is a feasible suggestion which could able to adapt, and we have to improve the efficiency of the system. Then after the serious process we have to test and evaluate the entire thing. So our aim is to avoid the energy wastage and also improve the overall energy efficiency. So to validate the effectiveness of the proposed energy management strategies before the large scale of adoption. So this final conclusion is efficient energy management is an essential for sustainable future. There is no doubt in it. Through the systematic stages, we can develop an energy efficient systems. And small challenges is behavioral implementation, because everyone will have an ego. Why I should do with this small energy? The plenty of energy is going to get saved. That is what the question arises. But everyone will have a mindset that this small energy from multiple person can lead to saving of huge energy. If that mindset comes, automatically the energy savings will happen, environment will get benefited, and the things will go on in a fine manner. So this is a mind map for the energy management strategies. As I said, smart grid technologies, then smart grid automated systems, and the using of energy efficient equipment, then automated lighting systems and HVACs, and upgrading HVAC systems. Then main thing is and behavioral changes. Then find one thing is an renewable energy integration. Then energy audit. Energy audit is one of the important aspect in the energy conservation area, because every year we have to conduct energy audit. We should not see that as an expense, but we should see as an opportunity to optimize our overall efficiency of the system in a better manner. The energy audit will tells us which is a good equipment in the factory, which is the poor equipment which consumes more power but less output, and which needs to be replaced. All the things can be taken care of at the results of energy audit. So the energy audit is very important, that will be done by a certified energy auditor, and based on that we have to go for further steps, whether the equipment has to be replaced or some maintenance work to be done, or what are all the alternate things to improve the efficiency. That's what the energy audit will tell. Then data collection. So data collection is one of the important aspect in the energy management strategies. We have to tell last year, this month, what is the total energy use in the industry, this year what is the energy use, whether it is in a high manner, what is the reason. If we install any new equipment, then that is okay. Without installing new equipment,